eto na po sila. You know where it came from? Nung pinatay si Ninoy, ang narinig sa sa tape was, eto na, pusila. That means press the trigger, di ba?
Yeah.
So ginawa namin, eto na po sila, pero yung apo nasa gitna. And our fans knew na yun ang ginawa namin. And they were like so proud and so, parang private joke, di ba?
Yeah.
After we did that show, which was like a few months before EDSA na lang yun no? Naban na kami. We couldn't repeat it in Ultra. In any government venue, hindi kami we were banned from TV, banned from radio and everything. So we had the repeat of Eto na naman po sila about a month and a half later in Loyola Center, the Jesuits, sa may Ateneo. We brought a generator pa in case putulin yung kuryente. Kasi talagang pinapanood na kami. In fact, tumawag yung kaklase sa akin. Kaklase ko, who were friends with the Marcoses, and they said, sabi niya, Jim, galit sila sa inyo, ha? Ingat ka.
Full episode out now.